Welcome everyone, and welcome to anyone that's new. I have a new collection from dailycharme to share with you. These were released November 1st, 2024, and these are the perfect cat's eye winter and Christmas gel polishes. I have 6 of them in this collection and I want to share them with you today, and then I will work on a client's nails using either just one of these or a few. I haven't decided at this point, so watch till the end to see what I do on the client. But this one is called the Holiday Sparkle Cat's Eye Collection, and I will show you them and show you the names of them. But I'm excited to share this one. I love their cat's eye polishes, very popular this year. I think that's why they keep coming out with them. But now we have some holiday ones, which is great. So I'm just gonna move them aside and I'll start showing you from the smallest number to the biggest. And this one is called C73 Candy Cane Crush. And of course it says it's a soak off cat's eye polish. I'm just gonna grab my magnet and we're gonna swatch them. So first I'll show you up close. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? It's like the perfect winter red or Christmas red. Okay, and now we'll just swatch. So I will do one coat and I'll show you it. That's kind of more or less the glitter. It's covering so nice, as you can see, with one coat. And then we'll do the cat's eye on the second coat of it. But look at how pretty that is. Wow, what great coverage, right? Oops. Just gonna get my cleanup brush. I've just got a little bit here. Okay, so look at that. Beautiful, right? And now we'll cure it. I'll do that second coat. Okay, we'll do the second coat now. Oh, I'm gonna love these at Christmas time because they cover so nice. Okay, there's that second coat. Pretty, right? You could use it as a glitter gel polish as well. As you can see, it's really pretty. And I'm just gonna do it down the middle to show you. Look at how pretty that is. Really nice. So this one is C74 Blush Beam. Okay, so this is more of a pinky one. Really nice though. Like a kind of like a rosy color. It obviously says Blush Beam. It's really nice. So there's the one coat. Such a pretty glitter if you didn't want to use it as cat's eye. So pretty, just like this. Hopefully my camera's picking up how pretty it is. Now I'm just going to do the line down the middle again. Make them all the same. And there's that one, really nice again. Next one, C75 Rosé Radiance. Pretty, more of a rose gold. I really like how they did these ones because they cover so nice with just one coat. So there's the one, and now I'll cure it and be back to do the second coat with the magnet. Same thing again. Really pretty again. So this one is C76 Golden Gleam. Oh, gold. You gotta have gold at Christmas. Again, covered so nice. It's more of a yellowy gold. Pretty. So the next one is C77 Tinsel Twinkle. Oh, and the silver, have to have silver at Christmas time for winter nails. So these really are a two-in-one. So you get a really nice glitter polish or a cat's eye, because like look at how good that covered as well for one coat. It's a nice silver. You see the cat's eye in there, the line, very pretty. I have one more to show you. This one is C78 Goth Glam. Oh, and you have to have a really nice black. It gets used a lot. So let's check this one out. Really nice with the silver glitter in it and with black and covered again, really nice. Okay, we'll do the same with the magnet. Pretty again. This is totally different than most of their cat's eye polishes. I really like them. So here are all of the polishes. Which one is your favorite? I don't know. I've had a hard time deciding which one I like the best because they're all really nice. They're perfect winter cat's eye polishes as well as Christmas ones. So they'll come in handy. I can use them as glitters or cat's eye. Really nice though. Daily Charme did it again. They're very nice. So now I'm going to start working on my client's nails. So stick around if you're interested in seeing that. So for my client's nails, I let her choose, and she really liked the Candy Cane Crush, the red cat's eye polish. So we're going to use this color for this set, and we're not just going to use the cat's eye polish because I wanted her to be able to pick something she might like other than just cat's eye, even though doing every nail in that is pretty, but that's pretty simple design to show you. So we did something a little different just to make it a little bit more interesting to do a video. So I'm applying one coat of this and I'll cure for 30 seconds, and then I'll be applying that second coat. And I decided on using rectangular magnet versus the cylinder one for this set. So I'm kind of making more of a line down the middle. I noticed with this cat's eye polish, it's so beautiful, but it just doesn't show as much when I use the cylinder one. So I wanted to put a distinct line down the middle so it can really tell that it's a pretty cat's eye polish. So this is the second one I'm doing. Again, I'll do one coat, cure it, do a second coat, not cure it, and then bring out that magnet to put that line through it again, because it does look really pretty with that line. I love how this polish covers, like it covers so nice. You can see even with one coat how well it's covering. Okay, so I'm gonna do the thumb, I guess, before I do the second coat on that next one. I forgot that I did one coat on each one of these, and then I go back and I do that other coat and then bring out the magnet. And with cat's eye polish, you probably all know this, but if you don't, when you use the magnet and have that design in the nail, make sure you cure it right away, because if you don't, the line or whatever you did with the cat's eye polish will move. It'll kind of start separating. So do the magnet like I am now, and then cure it right away, and then you can do the next one. I just flash cured it, and then I brought it out to do the next one, and there's the line again. You can see it's really pretty. So those cure for 30 seconds. So we chose Daily Charme's Perfect White, and I'm going to do 2 coats on this nail. As you can see, their Perfect White is such great coverage as well too. So I only ever need to do 2 coats. So I do 2 of the nails with the Perfect White, and then we're going to do something a little different that's going to complement the cat's eye polish so well. So they'll cure for 30 seconds. And I should tell you, I didn't show it in the video, but I used Daily Charme's transfer foil gel. After this white had cured for 30 seconds, I applied it, and then it cured, and then I will be bringing out the foil that I'm going to be using on this set. It has the exact same shade of red in those roses. It's so pretty, and that's why I put the white below it, because if I don't transfer it perfectly, you'll never know, because the white is there. It is so pretty though when it goes on. I just love this transfer foil. I'm sure I got this one from Daily Charme. If I did, I will put the case of them. I think there's like 8 of them or something in a case. I will put it down below as well if it is from Daily Charme, which I think it is. And I'll have my 10% off code down there, like I said at the beginning of the video as well. So I decided to use this transfer foil on this pinky, except picking a completely different design. It doesn't have to be the same. It just looks so pretty then. I'm going to rub it in. And I didn't fully do that design. I decided to move it around to get a little more red on there and just change it up a bit. You can do that with this foil. That's really nice as well that you can. And there it is. So one important thing when you use transfer foil, always file along the edges. The top coat needs something to grab hold of. I don't show top coating it with Daily Charme's Diamond Shine top coat, but here they are done. Aren't they beautiful? Look at the cat's eye polish as I'm moving them. It is so pretty. And here's another few of them. The foil really complemented that cat's eye polish so well. Just love them. Let me know what you think. What is your favorite cat's eye polish in this collection? Thanks everybody for watching. Thanks to Daily Charme for sending me the cat's eye polish collection to share with you. And I will see everybody in the next one.